Namaste everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So here I am going to show you a computer vision based Django application which can be accessed using the create super user login credentials. Okay, so I've already created the super user credentials, and once we log in, this is what we get to see. Okay, so I haven't used any services as of now. That's the reason I'm seeing 0 out of 10 used. Let's come on service and let's launch it, and let's select this image, and from here we can select the services. So as you can see, there are a number of services that we can use, and we can apply on the uploaded image. So let's go with the first one, which is no filter, and see what's gonna happen. So see, it has removed the filters which the developer has applied on the image, and this is what we're getting. Now let's go with colorize, but we'll have to upload the image again before going with it. And let's do an upload and see what's gonna happen. So it has removed all the colors, you can say. Then we can go with grayscale and convert the image into a grayscale image. See, so the colored image has changed to a grayscale image. And then let's go with the same image again, and this time we're going to select blurred. Okay, so it has blurred the image. Now let's go with the same image again, and this time we're going to choose binary, and this is what we're getting as a final output, right? People who knows about this binary thing, uh, you know they don't have to now worry about it. They can just on a single click convert the image into a binary image. Now invert image, yes, we can invert the colors also, right? If you want to save the image, just do a right click and then you can do a save image as option. Okay, let us select the same image again, and this time we're going to apply the face classification on this. So this is what we're getting. We are able to classify the faces of the people present in the image, right? So it's also working perfectly fine. So you guys can use this in your project, in your college project. As a college project, you can use it. You can take the downloads of the various algorithms that have been used in the backend for doing all the kind of stuffs that I'm showing to you guys. Okay, so it's a really good algorithm. On this image we're going to apply the classification mechanism. Let's see. Okay, so this is not working on classification, will not work for this. Let's go with the sketched shape detection, sorry. So yes, shape detection is working. As you can see, we have some names over here, and that is perfectly fine. Now let us select this image again, and on this I'm going to apply, let's apply sketched on this. So this is what we are getting, right? We are able to get a sketched image of the picture we uploaded. That's incredibly awesome. Can we do it? Can we do it on this house's image also? Let's just check it out. It's going to be great. Yeah, we can. Okay, so the algorithm is working perfectly fine. Let's come and check out the second last feature, which is your shape detection on the uploaded image. So we are able to detect all the shapes. See, it's incredibly awesome, right? I hope you guys are enjoying it. Let's select this image and let's go with the last option, which is document flatten. Okay, this is what we're getting. Let us use this one, and then we can apply this on the image. Okay, so it has flattened the document. See this boy's face and this face over here. So you can make the comparison. It has flattened the image completely. Okay, so these are the various features that you can use. And now if you'll come on the dashboard, see, okay, this has not changed. Maybe I'll have to rework on this, or maybe the code is not working. No problem, we'll do it afterwards. But I hope you guys enjoyed this a lot. You can modify it as per your requirement. Definitely, this is just to give an idea of how you can use machine learning algorithms, computer vision algorithms in your Django project, right? There are people who have this question in their mind whether AI can be used with technologies like Django, React, or not. So the answer is yes, you can use it, basically Django and modules or libraries like React and your Angular, they are just used for projecting the output of what you're getting from your AI algorithms. Okay, so this is what we have done in this application also. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much for checking out this video. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead, guys.